So hello friends, today we discuss about the tokens. This is the very much basic of Python. So if I'm talking about the basic of Python, that it is totally considered with the token term. This term is as much as important as we just start the Python. So if you don't know about the token, then there is no use of learn the Python. So make sure whenever the term come is token, the word comes. So it will be just keep this in your mind that it is just a smallest element of Python script. It means smallest element means, suppose if I'm talking about our body, so it is made up of many tissues and tissue is made up of many cells, right? So these the cells in our body is termed as a smallest element, right? So similarly, when I'm talking about the Python basic, so in the Python basic the whole script is prepared by the small tokens, and then tokens is basically a smallest element of a Python script. And script is also known as basically a program, or you can say a program code, right, in which just we are writing some kind of a set of instruction that followed by the Python. And interactive mode, in the script mode, just interpret the line by line and line by line commands and given the particular result, right? So token is basically a smallest element of a Python script. Now you got it, right? And after that, the categories of tokens, that is, there are so many categories are tokens. Number one is keyword, that is the reserved word. Reserved word means the words which are fixed in the dictionary of the Python library, right? So it means we will just discuss this further in our forward videos as well. But the identifier is basically a variable that we given from the R side, and literally is also a constant. And operator are those operator which is also divided into many operators like arithmetic, logical, assignment operator, in which just we use the operands and we just use the operations according to the program or according to our need. And punctuators is basically called a delimiters. It means it's just a separator of the instructions. Suppose we want to separate few things in the program, then we just use the punctuators, right? So in this video it is clear that token is basically a smallest element of a Python script. And after that there is some kind of a tokens which we discuss further in our video, that is keyword, identifiers, literal operator, punctuators. It is just the overview of the tokens, and it may come as a MCQ in your Python language. So if you know the meaning of a token, this will be easy for you to further discuss all the topics, right? So if I'm talking about which support the Python the most, so that is the letters, digits, special symbols, white spaces, other characters. Other characters means ASCII and the Unicode. So letters we all know that is comes under the capital letter as well as the smallest letter, right? And when I'm talking about the digits, it is come under as a 0 to 9. So special symbol is basically, they are the symbols which we use in our operators also. It can be a positive, negative, divide, exponent, multiplication, and the other kind of brackets, right? Then we just come to the white spaces. White spaces is basically what exactly it is. It is the spaces that we just use in our typing, that is the common space you can say, or the blank space, or the keyword which we use in the typing, that is tab. So tab is also comes under the white spaces, right? The other character we already discussed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.